If you have a 15-year mortgage, a 30-year mortgage, a 20-year payment plan to pay off your student loans, usually millionaires will create a life insurance policy to pay off that debt. So therefore, if something happens to you, the mortgage is paid off. The student loan debt is paid off. So therefore, if you had a co-signer like a parent or somebody else in your family, they're no longer saddled with that debt after you paid off. One of the worst things that can happen is if you co-sign with somebody on a piece of property, your car loan, your student loan debt, if something were to happen to the other person, you, since you're the co-signer, you are still responsible for repayment of that debt. So it's sad to pass away too soon. It's sadder to pass away too soon and still leave somebody else with debt. That's why millionaires use life insurance to pay off that debt in case something were to happen to them sooner than later.
Exactly. This is how wealthy people think about life insurance. One of the very first things we do with a new client is review their coverage or build it from scratch to make sure it matches their lifestyle, liabilities, and expenses. If there's no life insurance, we start with the basics. Every debt the family would inherit: mortgage, student loans, car payments, gone. Then we layer in something most people miss: 10 years of income for the family. Simple, cost-effective, usually done with term insurance, and it keeps loved ones from being financially crushed if the worst ever happens.